Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can promote your affiliate links even if you don't have a website. Now, promoting your affiliate links and making your first sale, this is one of the most challenging tasks for beginners, and that's why I want to teach you how you can do it in this video. It's not going to be a long video. I just want to share the most important things so that we can actually get straight into it and get the value in this video. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I share contents like this, you will always be notified. So having said that, I'm going to take you to one of the platforms, and then we are going to pick a product and we talk about how you can promote your affiliate links. So as we all know, there are many platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate marketing, but the one that I recommend if you don't have money to invest into doing affiliate marketing, you can start with a free platform, a platform that you can join for free, which is StayCut. Okay, I'm going to go to my StayCut right now. I'm going to go to StayCut right now. I'm going to go to StayCut right now. So let's just get in. So if you haven't seen my last video, make sure to check my last video where I talked about how to start affiliate marketing without investing money. So if you watch that video, you're going to get more details about how you can navigate this StayCut platform, but I'm just going to touch part of it in this video. So here is my account. Okay, if you don't have account here, you can come and register, sign up, and then you have a page like this. So I'm going to log in my details, and then we'll just pick a product that we are going to promote. So yes, we are now logged in. Okay, as you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see how much I have made so far. I've not been really promoting for a while now because I've been doing some stuff. So how do you promote your affiliate links so that you can get sales and then make some money for yourself? How do you do that? What you can do first of all is to go and pick your product. But before you pick a product, you need to plan how much exactly do you want to make. Do you want to be making $100 in a week? Do you want to make $500 in a month? Do you want to make $1,000 and above in a month? You need to plan that. So once you plan that, that's going to give you a direction. It's going to give you a clue of the kind of product you want to be promoting. For instance, if I want to make $500 in a month, I'm going to go and pick a product that gives me a commission of at least 20,000 naira or 50,000 naira or even 10,000 naira. Are you getting it? So I'm going to pick a product that helps me achieve that goal very fast. And if you can make $10, if you can make $20, or if you can make $50, or let's say you can make 10,000 naira profit, 20,000 naira commissions, which is still your profit. If you can make all these things, you can actually build up and make up to $500 or $1,000 if you know how to invest your money, if you know how to scale. Okay, because scaling is also very important. Some people make their first money and then they blow it up, they spend it, but it's not supposed to be like that. When you make your first money, you take a part of it and invest into ads. Are you getting? This is a secret that most beginners don't know. So let's pick a product right now. Let's just imagine that you want to make $500 in profits in a month. We are going to go and pick a product that will give us at least 20,000 naira, okay, or $20. So let's go. We go to this top left here, pick on it, and then scroll to where you have the marketplace Okay, scroll to where you have the marketplace. Let's come to stay cut marketplace. Yeah, this is marketplace. You click on marketplace, and then when you come to marketplace, you're going to see different products. Okay, you're going to see different products. Are you seeing it now? There are different products on this platform. Now remember, our goal is to achieve $500 in a month. So we don't want to just pick a product with a small commission. You see all these products here, $8, $8, $25. It's not going to give us the kind of commission we need. Okay, we need something that will give us 50% commission, and then at least a 10,000 naira profit, or 20,000 naira profit, or 50,000 naira profit. So we're going to go straight and start looking for those products. Now look at this product that has $25. If we are selling a product of $25, we are promoting a product of $25, and the commission is $50, 50%, it means that $25 divided by 2. So you should have something like $12.5. That's a good start. Are you getting now? So you are going to divide $500 divided by $12.5. You're going to know how many times you're going to be selling, how many people you will need to sell to raise that amount to get that profit of $500. So this is how you're going to determine how to make your money. So you go around, you scroll and pick the best product with the best commissions. All these product that has $20, that is priced for $20, $25, and upwards like that, you can pick those products and start promoting because they have 50% commission. Okay, so let's just pick one of them. Let's pick this SELAR publishing guide. Let's just pick it. So to pick it, to promote it, you're going to click on promote, and once you click on promote, it's going to open more details about the product. So for you to be able to promote your product, you need to have the marketing materials. Each creator has created a marketing material that you can use to promote. Are you getting it now? So the next thing you're going to do is to go and check the marketing materials. You go to this place that says JV page, click on it. It's going to open up all the details about the marketing materials. The next thing you're going to do is to also go to the sales page to see what the sales page is all about. Once you look at it and you're satisfied, now the next thing is to pick your affiliate link. So to pick your affiliate link, you're going to come here. You can see this place that says copy affiliate link below. So once you copy the affiliate link below, now it's time you click on it. Once you see copied, meaning that the link has been copied. Now, how do you promote? There are many ways to promote, but there are two major ways for you to promote. Number one is the free method, which is what marketers call organic method. Are you getting it now? So there is organic method of promoting, which is the free method, and there is a paid method. Now, organic method, which is a free method, means that you're using all the free strategies like your social media, your WhatsApp status, your Facebook groups, your Twitter account, any method that you're using, word of mouth, okay, broadcast, your WhatsApp group, any method that is a free method of promoting, that is what your organic is all about. You can use any method. You can even be creating a video like this, okay? Now, that's for the free method. The paid method means that you have to run ads. You can run ads using Google. You can run ads using Twitter. You can run ads using Facebook, which is a popular one. You can run ads using TikTok. You can even run ads on YouTube. Are you getting it now? So for paid ads, you can start with TikTok. TikTok ads will give you results very, very fast. For you can also, if you have enough budget, you can start with. You can also use Facebook. Okay. However, you need to have tested these stuff. So you need to be sure that these stuffs are working, so that you don't just pour out your money. So one of the ways I do it is to first start with the organic, which is a free method. So when you want to do your free method of promoting, you can do a video, open a channel on TikTok and start doing videos every single day. Every single day, one video. Every single day, one video, talking about affiliate marketing, talking about your experience, talking about your challenges in making money online. And then you tell people about the product. Now, for instance, this product we are seeing now is a product about publishing on Amazon. So if you check it very well, you're going to see more details about it. It's about publishing on Amazon. Now you can go ahead on TikTok, create a channel and start talking about publishing on Amazon. There are lots of people that want to publish. They don't know how to do it. They're having issues with publishing on Amazon. So if you keep talking about this for 30 days and then you channel people, tell them about this product and tell them to follow your link, most of them, if they start getting value from your videos, they will be forced to follow your link. And once they follow your link, that link that you just copied, it will take them to the sales page. For instance, now that link, if you copy it now, by the time you insert that link into a new tab, let's say we insert it here, okay, let's paste it here. That link we just copied, let's paste it here. It's going to open up the sales page for us. Let's see how it opens. It's going to open the sales page for us. I'm waiting for this to load right now. It's going to open the sales page for us. Can you see now? It's loading. Good, beautiful. So this is the sales page. By the time you promote, you keep talking on your platform for free, on a free platform, maybe on TikTok, on YouTube or wherever. You insert the link, you tell them to click on it. By the time they click on it, it will bring them here. Are you getting now? It will bring them here. And when anybody comes here, anybody that is serious, not everybody will buy. So when anybody that is serious comes here, they will look at this, they will say, wow, they will watch this video. And once they watch this video, if they are ready to pay, they will make payments. And once they make payments, automatically you have made 50% commission for recommending this product. Are you seeing how this works now? So this is exactly how you can actually promote your affiliate links, whether you're using a free method or paid method. I just want to explain this one for you. There are many ways you can do it, okay? But I just use this one example to show you how it works. The paid method is quite different from this, but it's kind of similar, okay? So this is exactly how you can promote your affiliate links using your free method, okay? I believe that you have learned something from this. If you got value from this, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you will not miss whenever I share content like this. If you really want to learn how affiliate marketing works, you really want to learn the secret strategies of how we make money using affiliate marketing, I have created an ebook, okay, a guide that will tell you everything you need to know about how to succeed with affiliate marketing. If you want to get that guide, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. I will drop a link there, or you can go to the pinned post. I will pin a post in the comment section. Go and check for it, okay? And once you see it, click on it. It's going to take you to where you can get a copy of that ebook. This is where I'm going to stop for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.